how are we going to avoid this problem tomorrow? Because I assume your client wants to.
I'm not sure the problem is mine. I raised an objection and my adversary didn't stop for a ruling. He kept going, and I believe I'm entitled.
All right, so Attorney Pattis, the record will reflect that your client just kept giving answers quicker than you could get your objection out, pretty much. It is literally impossible to rule when the question is being answered before you even got your objection out. There's only so many times I can tell someone, don't answer a question when your attorney objects. But what I'm not going to have is what we just saw. So I don't know, I leave it in your capable hands to figure out a way that we don't have outbursts tomorrow.
When I'm objecting argumentative, and my client is baited into responding, I believe it's the court's responsibility and counsel's responsibility to get a ruling on the objection.
How do I do that when I can't even hear you because your client is giving his answer through your objection? It is impossible. I cannot possibly.
You stop him from speaking then so that I can be heard. I think the last 4 or 5 questions were argumentative, and I'll probably.
You want me to stop your client from speaking?
When there is an argument going on between he and counsel and I'm objecting and argumentative answers, yes.
Physically, you want me to stop him from speaking? I'm not. I'm trying to be as polite as possible, and I've told him the record will affect how many times I've told him, and he tells me he understands.
My record is clear, Judge. When counsel here are the professionals. I've made argumentative objections, and my adversary continued to raise his pitch tone, made appeals to the gallery, to the public, perhaps to the press, back turned to my client, screaming. That's inappropriate in any courtroom. I don't care if my client's up there baking cookies. I think it's the court's responsibility to stop that, and that's what I was asking to be done. I don't know.
Okay, so how about we do this tomorrow then? So I will have a zero tolerance policy from now on with counsel. So you can expect a contempt hearing if anybody steps out of line. And Mr. Jones, same thing. So, sir, you got to do a better job of following the courtroom rules, all right, with respect to your responses. I do not want to have a contempt hearing. I do not. I'm going to say it again. I do not want to have a contempt hearing. I don't. So please talk to your attorney, and tomorrow will be another day. Right? Anything else at this point?
Nothing for the defense, Judge.
No, you're right. Thank you.
We're adjourned.